From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big morning with the top crypto investments of 2021, your morning edition. Cardano, Kusama, Aave, and Polygon all up through the roof. My picks on Wednesday, you would have been making a killing already. This morning, we check back and see where Wednesday's picks have gone. Polygon up 52% since I predicted it for you. Aave up 19% since I told you to get into the position. Kusama up 34% and Cardano up 35%. In this recording, we go back over the picks of the week and which ones have been the big winners and which have been the ones going to the moon. We're going to especially focus on Aave, Polygon, Cardano, and Kusama as the coins, the top coins of 2021, take face and take top position. These are the top crypto investments of 2021. It's one of two recordings every day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. And this is LALATE. Thank you for joining me on Mornings Crypto here on LALATE, the only 24 hours a day, 7 days a week financial news channel that goes over the top crypto investments literally by the minute. Literally by the minute. This recording was made minutes before airing, and there's another one this afternoon. Without ado, make sure you subscribe. Also like this video and consider becoming a member. Let's get right to these incredible movements on these coins. I hope you've been watching because you would have already been making a killing. The update this morning starts with Cardano. The Cardano position has been absolutely a game changer for a lot of viewers. It is up 35% since my prediction on Wednesday for you to get in. At the time, it was literally substantially less. It was $1.68 on Wednesday. This morning, it's a $2.28. So you would be up 35% on your position. What is my Cardano price prediction? $3. $3, which will mean you will double your money if I'm right. When do I think Cardano will get to $3? It could get to $3 within 7 days, which would be a 100% return your money in 7 days. I'm sorry, I don't know anywhere else where you can get 100% return your money in 7 days from a YouTube channel. It's just, we're doing pretty good here, and we are just killing it. So I'm loving that you are doing so well. As a funny note, no joke, is last night I went out. I was having a bite of something to eat, and I heard the table next to me had four guys who were probably in their late 20s, early 30s, and one shouted, "Cardano!" Not at me, but at the people at the table. They were talking about Cardano, and minutes before my server had come to me and said he had gotten into Cardano, not Wednesday, but certainly a lot earlier. So congratulations to him. He has a much lower basis than $1.60. So yes, if you had gotten into Cardano on Wednesday, you are looking really pretty because you are set up. Again, my price prediction for Cardano is $3. Where can you buy Cardano? You can buy it on virtually every platform there is. So I would start with Gemini. I would start with Coinbase. You can also go to crypto. And you can also go to Robinhood. Now, let's go to my second pick from last night. Of my top four picks, 2 are pricier coins and 2 are cheaper coins. And I'm going to go over why a more expensive coin should not be a reason for you to go away from it. Let's go over this coin and why it's incredible, great news across the board. So Kusama is at 6:04 this morning. I had told you to get in at 4 on Wednesday. It was at 4.50 then. So you are up 34%. My price prediction for Kusama is 700. 700 would mean that you are nearly doubling your money. Understand, doubling your money would be a $900 price target, but I'm not going to go out that far. I'm going to say 700 is the price target. It's only $100 more from where we are right now, and I'm doing that as a 7-day horizon. I think Kusama could get to 700 in 7 days. Again, if you had gotten a Kusama on Wednesday when I told you to do it, you would have been up 34% your money. All right, now let's check back with Cardano and compare and contrast. This is why some people think cheaper coins are what they need to buy versus more expensive coins. The only reason you would buy a cheaper coin is because you don't want to spend a lot of money on the investment. So let's say you only want to spend $200 on Cardano, then and you don't feel like spending $450 on a position with Kusama. So that would be the only reason you would buy a cheaper coin. But here's what I want you to see is that buying a cheaper coin does not mean you're going to get a bigger investment. People think that when something is cheap, they have more upside. Not necessarily so. Not necessarily so. A movement is a movement. So you see here on Cardano, it moved $1.68 to 228. That's a 35% movement in 7 days. Here, Kusama, during that same time frame, also moved 34% because it went up $50. So just because it's a cheaper coin doesn't mean it's a better position. All right, here's my number 3 pick, Aave. Wow, Aave is just doing really wonderful. So it's up 19% from when I predicted it. It hit 610 today. It's down a little bit at the moment. It's, I think, 590. That's why I put an asterisk next to that. But it's still up. I told you to get it at 516 on Wednesday. It's 610. It's high here so far this Saturday morning, which would be a 19% return your money in less than Thursday, Friday, Saturday, less than 3 days. My price target 7 days is 700 for Aave. Now, a 700 price target for Aave on a $500 position is very handsome, very, very handsome. And there's Polygon, my number 4 pick, which I have not less than, I believe, 3 viewers who have gotten into Polygon based upon my prediction. Polygon, I really think, is the dark horse, the covert coin, if you would say, because it's getting no press, it's getting no YouTube videos, it's getting no chatter, and it's just outperforming everything. And that's why I see several viewers, I think Debbie, I think Ann were among the viewers who got into Polygon based upon my video recommendations so far this week. So Polygon, when I told you to get it, it was 112 on Wednesday when I made the prediction. Today it's $1.70. So it is up 52% in 3 days. I mean, that's insane. I mean, that is insane. Compared to our returns on Cardano, which, as you know, Cardano was trending on Twitter all day Wednesday, all day Thursday. People in restaurants talking about it. And Kusama 34%. But here is the secret child. I mean, the love child of coins that no one's talking about, that no one is speaking about, that there's very few YouTube videos about. No one is talking about Polygon, and I love it. I love it. I love when things are quiet. I'll just go make my money and just keep our mouths quiet. So Polygon is up to 170. My price target, 7 days, price prediction for Polygon is $3. I think that's an easy price target. 7 days out, $3 for Polygon. That will mean you will more than double your money. Wow. So if you put a $500 in, you're going to get $1,000. You'll have $1,000 in 7 days, if I'm correct. If we look back to Thursday, these were the coins I had predicted on Thursday. Kusama, Hedera, Cardano, Shiba. Of those, at the time I told you Shiba may be a dog or dog show winner, but remained on the fence for many viewers. Hedera still is doing well. If you have Hedera, I would hold it. Shiba is not particularly holding up. It's going left and right. If we pull back further, early in the week, we talked about Stellar, Nervos, and Stratis, all doing relatively well across the board. And on Tuesday, I believe we were speaking about also Huobi token, which is a difficult coin to get. To which viewers have asked me, where do I get the coins? Where do I buy the coins? And which coins do I buy? And how many coins should I buy? Let me go over all those incredible questions. First, where do you buy the coins? There, I make it simple on this channel by describing it as Tier 1, T-I-E-R, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Tier 1 I describe as coins that you can literally get everywhere. It's sort of like a pair of tennis shoes that you can literally walk into every department store, you know they'll have the tennis shoes. Tier 3, on the other side of the spectrum, are incredibly difficult things to get. So they're like limited edition Jordans you just can never find. You have to find on some strange eBay site. And then Tier 2 is somewhere in between. Tier 2 is generally something that's about to become Tier 1. And if it's incredibly popular, it's heading from Tier 2 into Tier 1. So which coins are the easiest to buy? Tier 1. They are coins that are on the major platforms. What are the major platforms? Where can you buy coins? Gemini. Download the app. Gemini. Why do I like Gemini? I love the app because it's a very, very aesthetically pleasing app to look at. It just looks nice. It's all black background, just very simple, just the coins. I don't particularly like the ranking of the coins on the front of the page, but you can modify it. But it's very aesthetically pleasing to look at. Coinbase, and also Robinhood. I like Gemini because if you have the position, you can return it. You can get a return of interest on your position if you're a long-time hold position. I don't think at this point a lot of my viewers are long-time hold position viewers. I've warned you that crypto winter, which refers to when the cryptocurrency goes down in value, is coming around the corner. You know, a few months out, a few weeks out, it's coming around the corner. So interest, long-term interest rate on positions, unless it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, which you have had for many, many years or many, many months, you may not be getting out of the positions when crypto winter comes in. So Gemini, great if you want to get interest on the money. Coinbase, very, very easy breezy. It is fully regulated in all states. That's why initially it just went. I covered the IPO, the initial public offering, on the stock exchanges a few days ago. So Coinbase. So those would be the top two that I would start with. Robinhood is very popular. It's had a lot of problems, and it's going to go public with an initial public offering on the U.S. stock exchange. It is not regulated in all states, and then that's tier one. Tier two then becomes coins that are still easy to get, but they're not on platforms that are fully regulated in all these states. For example, crypto, CRIPTO.com is where you would buy Shiba, but you cannot buy Shiba on Coinbase or Gemini or Robinhood. And so that's an example of where coins may soon be on tier one, but they're currently on tier two. And then we get to tier three, which is the very difficult coins and difficult to get. And those include Huobi token. And what my advice has been to you, if I can show you a way to make money, then why default to a coin that's on a platform that's difficult to get? Now, when we look at things like a Polygon, very easy to get. Aave, very easy to get. Kusama, less easy to get. Cardano, about as easy to get as a basket of Rice Krispies. It's just very, very, very easy to get. Now, what we've also seen, and I'm really excited for you, I'm very, very happy for you, is that on Friday, the head of SoftBank out of the Southeast said, you know, he doesn't understand cryptocurrency because it's so volatile. Guess what? I told you Friday, and I'm telling you it again today. The coins I recommend are not volatile. They're not volatile. They're either flat or up. They're flat or up. They don't have big volatility. What is volatility? It shows massive swings of prices, up and down and up and down. Now, everything has volatility. I mean, you buy a stock, a share of Ford Motor Corporation. It'll go up and it'll go down. Some stocks are more volatile than other stocks, but they're all volatile. They all go up and down. What we call, another word for volatility is price movement, price fluctuation. It fluctuates up, it fluctuates down. But his statement, the head of SoftBank, is that cryptocurrency, the top cryptocurrencies, are so volatile. No, they aren't. They really actually are not that volatile. So if you look at the top two coins in market capitalization, they've been relatively calm over the last few days. Not much massive fluctuation, not more than a normal stock. And when you look at the coins I recommend, not particularly volatile at all. Now, let's go out and look and see what's going on with the top coins of the moment, and we're going to do our recap. You know how we do it. I pull up the chart du jour, which I always ask you to refer to with me. It is appearing currently on the side split screen with me. What I'm looking at here is coinmarketcap.com. I believe it's the best website for you to look at the coins. And one person asked me a very simple question this morning. Which coin? It just depends on you. I'm making coin predictions. I'm telling you which ones I think are good. It's just like a stock, this coin, that coin. And then once you particularly like what you're hearing from me, then look at the coin on coinmarketcap.com. See which one has the comfort level. A few reviewers last night saw my recommendations for those four coins, got into Polygon. So they took my advice, and of the four, they chose one. They didn't have to choose all four. They just chose one. And they're doing very handsomely tonight, this morning. So let's go into coinmarketcap.com, and let's see what's going on with the market. So the market, at the top of coinmarket.com, at the very top, it lists what the market's doing overall. What's the market? It's all cryptocurrency. So it is an update, meaning are coins going up in value today? Or is it a down day? Are coins going down in value today? Today, coins are going up. So they're up about 9%, which is the average. That doesn't mean that they're all up. Now, when I say green, I'm referring to up. When I say red, I'm referring to down. So if I look at it at the coinmarketcap.com and I just see a lot of down, 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 I see what I call a down market. It's just down today. Every coin lists the current 24-hour movement and the 7-day movement. What's different with cryptocurrency than stocks is that they're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to trade. Not stocks. They're only open Monday through Friday. So they're trading all day, all night, all weekend long. And currently, the top 2 coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, show down for the day. Down 5% and down 8%. So let's look at the next item. There's 7-day, which is the next tracker. Down 16% for the 7-day and down up 3% for Ethereum for the 7-day. So when we pull out then and we go down on the chart and we look at the top 5 coins in market capitalization, what do we see? Cardano is the only coin in the top 5 of market capitalization that is up today and up for the 7-day. What is market capitalization? It's just how big it is. It refers how big, how much is invested in the coin. How big is it? So the mom and pop shop at the corner is this small in market capitalization versus Starbucks, which is this big in market capitalization. That's what market capitalization refers to. So Cardano, number 5 on market capitalization, and it's swapped between 4 and 5 over the last few days. It is up 16% today, up 39%, actually 40% for the 7 days. So it is the only coin in the top 5 of market capitalization that has 2 ups. It is up for the 7-day, and it is up for the 24-hour day. Incredible great news across the board. One of the 4 picks that I've been recommending to you is a double up. It is up for today, and it is up for the 7 days. Tether, which is next on the list, relatively remains flat. And as we pull down, actually, before I get out of the top 5, let me stop and look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is down 9% today and down 22% for the 7-day. Interesting. I know there's some YouTube channels that want you to be a fan of a coin. You know how I do it on this channel. I'm not fans of coins. I'm not here to be their cheerleader. I'm not here to wear their T-shirts. I'm here to get you money. And I don't have to have you be a fan of anyone or any coin. I'm here to make you money. And if it goes up, you make money. So it's down again. And it's down to 50 cents. And it's down 22%. There have been people making YouTube videos saying it's going to go to 65 cents. It's not going to 65 cents. In fact, in the time and frame in which they're reporting that's going to go to 65 cents, I'm going to make you 30% return your money. Guaranteed. All right. So now not guaranteed, but you know what I mean. Let's now go out to the top 10 on market capitalization. Sea of red, down 5, down 7 days, down today, just across the board. So this is where you really want to feel comfortable with your positions. Of the 4 coins I've recommended, the only one, which is a top 5 market capitalization coin, Cardano, is the only coin today that is up for the day and also for the 7 days. The only coin in the top 5 rankings that is both up today and up for the 7-day. Incredible news across the board. So let's move out to top 10. Same situation. Actually, Polkadot, I take it back. Polkadot's having a very nice day. It is number 8 in market capitalization, number 8 in ranking. It is the only other coin in the top 10 that is up 7 days and up today. 5% today, 18%. Nice move. It's a $46 coin. So then we pull out to top 15. You know why I'm smiling? There is our Tuesday pick. Our Tuesday pick, Stellar, still being stellar. Stellar continues to be stellar. And today, number 14 on market capitalization, our Tuesday pick, it is up 7 days and it's up today again. Now, it's not substantial up. It is 1% and 12%. Ultimately, I want to make you more money than a 1% movement on a given day. Because remember, if we're trying to do 100% return your money in 7 days, which is flying high. I mean, I don't hope that we do that all the time. If we do, that's incredible. But I want you to go up a couple percent every day. So 1%, we're still not out of the day yet, but up 1% for the day is good, and up 12% for the 7 days. Now, if you're a cheap coin lover, you're gonna like Stellar because it's 69 cents. Yep, that's Stellar, STELLAR. We pull out on our top 20 coins, and it just reds. A lot of red across the board. Red here and red there. Now, if you remember last Saturday, before Elon Musk appeared on Saturday Night Live, that was when Doge ran to 70 cents. And then people got out in about the early Saturday morning on the West Coast. And Saturday was a down day. Sunday was a down day. Are we going to repeat those trend lines? We will see. But we certainly saw Saturday and Sunday were bad days for most coins last week, with the exception of Shiba, where people got out of Doge and got into Shiba. And as we pull further down in our market capitalization list, then comes Polygon. Polygon, boy, if you watch my advice, so where is Polygon right now? It is 172. So let's compare Polygon, because you understand how I do these shows. I literally make the graphic minutes before I go on camera. I have to do it as quickly as possible because the price fluctuations may be there. And this is what the graphic was when I made it for you about 15 minutes ago. That was 15 minutes ago. $1.70 was where Polygon is now. Then it's now $1.72. So it's moved up 2 cents in just about 10 minutes, which makes it now up 20% for the day, up 127% for the 7 day. And yes, for my viewers who got in on Wednesday, it's up 52%. And let's understand why Polygon is so good. Because when we look at what I did for you on Thursday, we came in and said, listen, the entire market is down. All cryptocurrencies are down. They're just down across the board. And I'm going to find some winners in this list for you. And I found Kusama, Cardano, and also Polygon on the day before. Polygon, if we pull back to our Wednesday numbers, where was Polygon on my Wednesday numbers? Let's see if I can find it, because I have so many screens here. But there it was. So here was Polygon on Wednesday when I told you to get into it. It was $1.17, and on that day it was up 20%. And at that time, it was up 47% for the 7 days. So now you look at the 7 day now, instead of 47%, it's now up 129% for the 7 day. And while Polygon was up Wednesday at 20%, this is a Wednesday graphic you're looking at. Today, it's up 21%. So it's been literally up 20% every single day that I've been reporting to you. Nearly every single day, it's been up 20%. Doge, down. Down almost every single day this week. Shiba, down almost every single day this week. So that is why there's differences. Again, I'm not here to be a fan of a coin. I'm here to make you money. And if I can get you up 20% every single day, we're going to do it. And guess what? That is not volatility. That is not price fluctuation. That is just continual upturn. That is continual uptrend. We're going straight up. It's a beautiful chart. It's it's like an Amazon during the lockdown or a Walmart stock during the lockdown. We're in lockdown. Amazon's going to continue to make money and more money. Polygon just going up and up and up. So that is the type of mentality you should look at when looking at a coin. You shouldn't get into a coin because you heard someone's doing it, or heard someone's tweeting it, or heard because Elon said something. I don't buy that way. I don't buy based upon someone's tweets. I don't understand why anyone would buy based upon someone's tweets. You buy based upon price movement. And what's different with cryptocurrency than stocks, and you really see it, is that with stocks, we have a bigger sense of the company. There is corporate earnings that they have to report. They have to register their earnings with the SEC. They have to give price. They have to give outward-looking statements. We expect our revenues next quarter to be this. You have forward-looking statements. You have reporting for the current past quarter. With cryptocurrency, you don't have that. So we don't inherently know what is going on with respective coins. To say that there's news that Doge is going to be the name of a rocket on to the moon next year, and that they're going to take some currency for 2 people on a ship, that's great. That has nothing to do with the operations of the business. And we have that problem, of course, with Polygon as well. We don't know what is Polygon's earnings going to be later this quarter. We don't know. It's not a regulatory environment like a stock. So if you prefer to buy based upon corporate earnings, price earnings ratios like you do with stocks, then you would not be a crypto investor because it's a different type of approach. But when you're looking at stocks versus cryptocurrency, there is a similarity. In the universe of stock investing, there is two ways to invest. You look at the fundamentals, or you look at the chart, or you look at both. If you're looking at the chart, you're looking at it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. In the case of cryptocurrency, you're looking at the chart. Now, you're not really looking at the fundamentals. You're not looking at the earnings. You're not looking at the earnings report of Cardano. Cardano made this much money first quarter. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that in the case of cryptocurrency. We're looking at chart movement and we're also looking at the entire industry. So the entire industry is up, the entire industry is down. We're looking at those items. So when we're looking at a Polygon, that is why it's important to know if it's up 20% for day after day after day, it's a winner. It really is a winner. All right, let's pull back out and see what other coins are doing well this morning. So there's Aave. Aave is number 26 on market capitalization, so it's a smaller ranked coin. It is further down on the list. And let's pull up my Aave chart for you, which I made shortly before going on screen about 5-10 minutes ago. Let's see what Aave was doing then, and let's see what Aave is doing now. Ultimately, there's always a surprise, and I'm literally seeing this cold read. So I'm seeing the reaction when I'm reporting to you. So Aave, when I made the graphic, was up to 610 early in the day. I put a star there because it had pulled off a 610. So now Aave is 546. So Aave has pulled back a little bit. Here's a great example. So let's say you really are interested in getting Aave. And you see that Aave went to 610 already this morning, but now I'm telling you it has pulled back at 547. So Aave, if you did want to buy it, is now in a little bit of a dip. So it is down $50 approximately since just this morning, and it's 9 o'clock on the West Coast. So this is the opportunity to buy if that was the coin you want to get in. It is up 18% for the 7 days, which ironically is what almost the movement that I had told you as well. Shiba continues to struggle. Shiba was detailed on this channel earlier this week several times, and Shiba continues to struggle. If you have Shiba, God bless you, but it continues to struggle. Shiba was up 1,000% earlier this week and was up 4% at the time. It is down 21% today, and it is now up for the 7 day. You ready for this? 13%. So it has gone from up 1,000% to up 13%. So this is where we talk about being fans of coins. I'm not here to be a fan of a coin. So Shiba is up 13% compared to up 118%. When I covered Shiba earlier this week, if you look at the graph, I talked about that Shiba graph. And I said literally it has been down day after day after day. And that ultimately, that is a different type of approach to investing than I normally look at. I like a chart where the coin continues to go up. Let's pull in tighter to the chart. So that was Shiba. Here's a learning curve for you. So if you got Shiba close to the end of that peak, wow. That was not something I was recommending at that time. I did tell you that you want to watch Shiba. Look at the bottom of that chart. This chart was made 2 days ago, so the chart is actually now worse since then. So Shiba is an example of a coin that is not holding up and is on a downturn, and that ultimately you don't want something that is on a downturn. So now let's recap on the top 4 coins and my top 4 picks of top crypto investments of 2021 this morning. Wow, it has been an incredible run. And remember how we do it on this channel. We want coins that are always up. We want coins that consistently do well, that if they don't do well, you get out. We don't hold them indefinitely. We're not here to hold the line. We're not here to be fans or wear their t-shirts or baseball hats. So Cardano, $1.68 on Wednesday. Today, $2.28, and actually a little bit higher. It's up 35% from where I recommended for you to get. My price prediction, $3. Kusama, my price prediction, $700. It is currently $604. It is up from where I predicted at $450. You would have made 34% return your money already. Then Aave. My price prediction for Aave, top 4 cryptocurrencies of 2021 this morning. My prediction is 700. It was 516 on Wednesday. You've already made a 19% return your money, but it is pulling back a little bit at the moment. And then Polygon. Of the 4, this has been the biggest winner. And actually, this is the one that more viewers of this channel have bought because of my recommendation more than any others. So they have clearly taken the videos, learned from the videos, which is what I love, made the determination. And of the 4 that I recommended on Friday, and of the 12 that I've recommended or detailed over the last few days, they have gone with this one, and they've done well. Wednesday, Polygon was 112. Today, it's 170. It's right now 172. You are making close to a 50 to 60% return your money in less than 2 days. My price target of $3, which would double your money, and away we go to the moon. What a day it is. I'm really excited for you on a big morning across the board, as the coins that really you need to track 7 days a week at 24 hours a day, but you don't have to worry because I'm doing it for you. I'm live on, I'm here in the morning, I'm here in the afternoons, so I don't want you to miss a single recording across the board. I'm back with you this afternoon, and boy, it's been a great run. So make sure you subscribe, share these videos on Facebook, share these videos on Instagram, tell people to come over here. Why is this channel different? It's different for many different reasons. 1, there are 2 recordings per day. 2, I am not a fan of a particular coin. So this is not a Dogecoin channel. This is not a Cardano channel. I cover all the coins, and if a coin's doing well, we're in. If coins do bad, we're out. I'm not here to just hold the line and tell you it's a great coin. Doge is down 3 days in a row. Am I telling you to get into it? No. Ultimately, I'm here to cover every single coin, and I'm here to make you money. 3, here to educate you and help you ensure that you get the best information. So I'm showing you where you buy the coin, when to buy the coin, which coins to buy, and how you can buy a cheap coin versus expensive coin, how you can buy a coin that's easily available to buy, or a coin that's harder to buy but may ultimately make you more money on the horizon. And finally, I'm also here to answer your questions. So send me a question anytime you do by DM or private message, and I'll drop in the live chat. And I'll see you then. I'm back this afternoon, actually this early evening, with the latest update. And meantime, subscribe. I want you part of this channel. Let's grow this channel. Make it #1 on cryptocurrency. Like this video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Purple Hawk, Purple Power, Calcino VIP. Thank you for joining me on a big mornings. I look forward to seeing you this afternoon. Hopefully, this video has been informative and educational to you. And stay informed, stay focused, and stay with LA for more.